Hey y'all, this is Todd from Sumter Cut Rate, and we're going to call this Throwback Thursday. It's real nasty outside today, tornado warnings and such. Been in the rain for a second ago, and I just got finished making a batch of chicken salad, and I started thinking, I was like, I've got some old video of Miss Mamie Brown making chicken salad. Now, she started in 1971, before I was even born, and just recently retired. So I started thinking, I was like, I ought to show that video sometime or whatever in her honor. She'd probably appreciate it, and I know she was proud to be our chicken salad maker for well over 40 years, almost 50 years. So here you go.
My name is Mamie Brown. I'm going to show you how to make chicken salad.
Did y'all really think I was going to show you the whole video? We're fully stocked. Come get some.